In this video, we'll be covering the overview of the driver portal functionality or driver kiosk. The driver kiosk is a mechanism for the drivers to log into the Hours of Service Suite web application to change their duty status to either on duty or off duty. Drivers will use the same web address and sign-in screen as all other fleet back office personnel, though access will reside at a location designated by the organization. However, back office personnel will be accessing the web application through their iBright Enterprise under the HOS tab. Any back office users who are also drivers do not need additional. The first time a driver logs into the portal, they just enter their organization ID and user ID field information. After selecting Sign In, the driver will be prompted to create a password for use on the driver portal. The driver will then enter a password and confirm the password they will use to access the driver portal. The driver should then hit the Save button to save the password and to be logged in. Basic driver information is displayed in the center of the screen. Because this driver was set up as a portal-only user, they only have the ability to change their status. Drivers have the ability to update their status by selecting the Change My Status button. The driver then selects a new status and enters the city and state information. In this example, because the driver is off duty, the driver has the option to update their status to on duty only. The driver then enters the city and state information, and the drivers can select Save to initiate their status change. In the end, the driver goes back to the home screen and they'll see that their status change has occurred. To change a password, a driver selects Settings, then User Preferences. The driver then selects Change My Password. The driver will then be prompted to enter their old password, followed by the new password and confirmation of this new password. Then the driver selects the Save button. Once the driver is done using the driver portal, they will simply sign out. One important final note in regards to the relationship between the driver kiosk access and the mobile data terminal in the vehicles. After a driver signs themselves as on duty through the driver portal, and when they are ready to enter to their assigned vehicle for the day, and they sign into the MDT, it will show them already as on duty. This is when they will now change their status to driver. On the other hand, when a driver returns from the vehicle and they have additional work and or other non-driving responsibilities, a driver must remember to sign out of the mobile data terminal in order to complete the post-trip inspection. Once signed out of the vehicle, the driver would make their way back to the driver portal and sign themselves back in on an on-duty status. Thank you again for watching the driver portal and access overview.